What if I told you you could start earning $100 or more per hour using AI? Right now, people are using AI to make money online faster than ever before. So if you want more freedom, extra income, or a real online business powered by AI, keep watching because this could completely change the way you make money online. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Meet Mindrift, a free platform that matches people with AI training and data labeling tasks. Tasks range from evaluating AI outputs to refining models and improving accuracy. These are micro jobs you can do from home using a browser and simple tools. Compensation varies by task complexity, with experienced workers earning up to $100 hourly. You can view tasks openly, decide which to apply for, then click Apply to start. Applying gives you access to the member dashboard and all available tasks. It is so simple, only 3 steps. Step 1. Browse tasks without signing up and find one that fits your skills. Step 2. Click Apply to unlock the member dashboard and task instructions. Step 3. Complete AI training and data tasks like labeling, evaluation, or refinement. Examples include rating chatbot responses, correcting model outputs, and curating datasets. Follow task guidelines carefully. Accuracy and speed directly affect your earnings. As you finish tasks, compensation is credited instantly to your Mindrift account balance. Payments are processed automatically on the 5th and 20th of every month. You can choose payout options like Payoneer, Mellow, or Papara for withdrawals. Earnings show in your account, then transfer to your selected payout method on payout days. Quick tips: prioritize high-paying tasks, maintain accuracy, and complete tasks efficiently. Practice tasks to improve speed and qualify for better-paying opportunities over time. Mindrift can be a steady income source if you treat tasks professionally and consistently. In the end, if you found this video valuable and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck earning with AI on Mindrift.